So we just went over 4 things that make habits stick. You make it obvious, attractive, easy, satisfying. To break habits or to decrease the odds that a behavior is going to occur, you just invert those 4. So rather than making it obvious, make it invisible. Don't keep junk food in the house, unsubscribe from the emails, whatever. Reduce exposure to the thing that triggers it. Rather than making it attractive, make it unattractive. This is the most difficult one for bad habits. It's not, I would say it's the last place you should probably focus, because once you learn that the sweet tastes good or that a donut is tasty, it's hard to rewire your brain to think something different. You would need to, I'll give you an example of it in a minute. But so rather than make it attractive, make it unattractive. Rather than making it easy, make it difficult. Increase friction, add steps between you and the behavior. I've heard from people who take the sweets and they put them on the highest shelf in the garage, so then they have to walk all the way out there and climb up to get them. You still know they're there, you can still get it, but you're just trying to find ways to increase friction. Say you want to smoke. If you have a pack of cigarettes on the table in front of you, that's really low friction. Like, you need a lot of willpower to resist that. If the closest pack is 3 miles down the road at the grocery store, you still might get in the car and drive there, but it's a lot more friction. And then rather than making it satisfying, make it unsatisfying.